Hi, my name is Cheyenne Peck, and I'm a licensed real estate agent for Howard Hanna Realcomm in Mount Gilead, Ohio. As you may have heard or experienced, the real estate market has been booming in recent years. And when I meet with people to sell their property, a question that they ask me a lot is, Cheyenne, do we have to stay here when our house is being shown? Or do we have to leave our door unlocked when the house is being shown? And the answer to that is no. Agents use lock boxes. And I'm going to show you today what type of lock boxes we use and how we use them. First is a combination lock box, as you see here. And a combination lock box is pretty easy, pretty standard, just has a 4-digit code, and that's how you open it. The electronic lock box is more tech savvy, and you do have to be a member of a board and pay for the service for these type of lock boxes. So to open in a combination lock box, you will call to set the showing up, and when it's approved by the sellers, the company will then tell you the access code. So you'll get the access code, and I will enter the code in here. And once you enter the code, you pull down on this lever right here, and it opens it up, and there's your key. Okay, this is very easy, very simple. As long as you have the code, you can get in. Use the key, show the home. When you are done showing the property, you make sure you lock all the doors, put the key back, flip it up, make sure it's locked securely, and change the numbers on here on the code so when the next person comes, they can't just open the lockbox. Very easy, used very often. The other type, the electronic lockbox, is a little more secure. Instead of a 4-digit code that they give you, you have your unique code to open each one of these lockboxes. You have an app on your phone that's called an e-key app, and when you open that app, it gives you options to obtain the key. The electronic lockbox will store information. If you own the lockbox, it's going to tell you the last agent that was in there and how long they were there for. So this is protects your home better. This actually insures your home if it gets broken into. So there's a lot of benefits to use the electronic lockbox. So I'm going to show you how I use that. Like I said, you'll set the showing up. They're going to approve the showing. They're going to tell you it's on an electronic lockbox. You get your phone out, you get your app, you make sure your Bluetooth is on. You click your app here to say obtain key. And when you click that, it's going to ask for your PIN code. Like I said, your PIN code is unique to you. I'm going to enter my PIN code. And then there's a little box under here, and I'm going to press it. And you put this close to the lockbox, and it communicates with the lockbox. And when you hear that noise, you know it was a success. You pop the lockbox out, and again, your key your key is securely inside of this. Okay? And when you're finished showing the home, again, you lock the doors, you put the key back into the lockbox, and you securely lock the lockbox back into there. So, like I said, now you know how agents get into homes when they schedule showings and how secure that they can be. If you are thinking of buying or selling a home, I would appreciate if you'd call me. Again, my name is Cheyenne Peck with Howard Hanna Realcomm out of Mount Gilead, Ohio. Thank you.